Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I just put new O2 sensors in and noticed they're quite different now how they come from Ford. So just wanted to give you a quick update on that. Here's a green one, a factory one when I did my other install video, just so you can kind of look at it. This is what they used to look like as they came, and the color would match where you're plugging it into the car. So green was the upstream ones. And here's the part number for that if you want to get that part number, if it's important to you to find them on eBay or something, exactly how they came. Here's the new part number, completely different, and the packaging, everything different as well. Now, the first thing you'll notice is the length is the main difference. They're much longer than they used to be, and so the instructions that come with it recognize this. And they tell you that the best thing to do is zip tie the excess up, and they give you 2 zip ties with them. The next thing you'll look at is the color and these ears that are on the side. So these are guide pins, and they've just been clipped off. You can see it looks like they used to come with them, but as part of their process, they clip them off. And I believe the reasoning for this is just so that they will plug in on any of the ports instead of just the upstream. The next big thing is the nose. You can definitely see the slotted holes versus the slit, completely different design. The base is also much thicker at the bottom, but other than that, it's the same size as 7/8 inch for the wrench. And it's probably just a newer sensor that they've been using on newer cars, and now they're just adapting it for everybody. So anyway, let me know your thoughts if you know the difference between the sensors. Otherwise, they screwed in and plugged in just fine. I actually zip tied mine to one of the body harnesses for the transmission. Made it a little bit easier than trying to zip tie the wire to itself, so you can just do whatever you can. Just make sure you're keeping it away from the catalytic converter or the heat. But I replaced both of them, and the car runs really well now, no problems. So I just wanted to show you the difference between the two of them. If you do want to research and try to find on eBay the original one, if that's important to you, then you can. You have both the part numbers, but they seem to work just fine. So just wanted to give you an update on that. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thanks, guys.